Here is how to restore a backup from Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can restore a backup from Google Drive. So let's start. Before starting the restore process, let me show you how you can back up your data in Google Drive. For that, simply open Google Drive and log into your account. After you log into your Google Drive account, you'll come to a screen like this. Then after, tap on the three lines on the top left side. After that, go to settings. Inside settings, go to backup and reset. Then after, select the account where you want to store the backup in account storage. After that, you will get the backup now option. Tap on backup now and the backup process will start. It will take a few minutes to complete the backup depending upon the size. After you complete the backup, you can reset your phone, and when you restart your phone, you will get the option to restore a backup. When you get the option to restore a backup while restarting your phone, tap on it and select the Google Drive option. After that, enter the email address and password of the Gmail account where you have kept the backup. As you do that, the restore process will start. Make sure you are connected to the internet so that all of your data will be restored properly. Since you will have to reset the device in order to restore, I can't show the exact process. But if you follow the steps that I said previously, you won't have any problem while restoring your data. So in this way, you can restore a backup from Google Drive. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.